Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'd just like to say a big thank you to everyone for your support, the likes, subscribes, comments and everyone who shared my channel. I really do appreciate it. So today I'm coming in with the Amongst the Wildflowers and we're using the blue tip from the paper pad. And I've also brought in the matching foil cardstock with the border. And I've also brought in the Silly Goose acetate, which has the flowers on. So what I've done, I've just taken the page, cut this down to a square, and then got some gold to matter and layer. And then we've also cut the border out to use here. And then what I'm going to do is put acetate card. So we've cut the acetate down to 6 by 6. And I've taken an inch off the bottom and left an inch at the top of the card. And that's where that's going to go. And then we've cut down the foil cardstock as well to go on the back. And that's just a notch under the 6 for each side. So first of all, we will do the acetate. So I'm going to use my red liner tape for this. And then we'll do the same for the bottom. So we'll layer the top first, like so. Take that out for the moment, and then we'll just lay this down. Try and match it up properly. There we go. It is over slightly, so we'll just cut that off in a moment once we're done. And then again we'll do the bottom. So we'll lay that flat to the edge of the card. Place that like so. And then we just need to go down, cut off this excess. And then there's just a little bit on the bottom as well, which we'll cut off. Like so. So then we'll get some more of this gold to match it onto these pieces. So if we do these, did I say 1 inch? Yeah. If we do these an inch, we need 2 of them. And to the 6. And they'll go like that. And then just see what size this is. 1 notch, so that's fine. So we can use these for the top and the bottom. So if we go, I'll do a notch first of all and see how that goes. See how that fits. Yeah, so we'll do a notch under the one. So then that'll sit nicely on there. And what I'm going to do is do it that way around so that when we put the other panel in, where a bit's gone, which I think I've just cut off there, so I'll have to cut another one. Cut it off the wrong size. So let's see what that is. No, that doesn't work. That's annoying. I mean, we could make that like that, but then you've still got the white on top and bottom. You might have to make it work like that, I think, because I cut off the wrong one. That's what happens when you just have pieces lying around. So anyway, we shall do these pieces first anyway, so we'll put some more red liner on. Piece, honestly. And then we'll do the same with this one. And I'll put that on the top. And then we can stick these down. I'll just use normal glue for these. Like so. Get rid of all this. Otherwise I'll be finding it everywhere. So then the idea is that will go there. And that will go there. like so. I mean, obviously you will see some of the working, it's unavoidable, but at the end of the day it's handmade cards, so it is what it is. Excuse me. So that's that. So now we just need to decide what we're doing. So what we can do, I'll order some more red liner. Put some red there. And I'll have to get my thinner one out that I've got. And we'll put a little bit at the bottom. I mean, it's all straight, so it should be quite neat and tidy. So I can find my pokey tool now. Where's that gone? Honestly, I think it's going to be one of those days today. Ah, there we are. So we'll just place that, and then I think we might have that over the top. So if I put that like so, and then again we'll put some red liner down the bottom. Take that off. Get it to come off. And then I think what I'll do is put a piece down the side. And then we'll cut some smaller pieces just to go here. And then it's just to make sure it's all secure. And we'll take all them off. And then we'll just try and get it so we get it straight on the edge of the acetate, like so. There we go. And we'll move all this off. There's that, and then we just need to sort out the inside. So I'm thinking we layer that so it sits there. Just wonder if maybe that's too much yellow, because it also has a blue one, which is this one. I'm just wondering if we use the blue. We can just match that up. Just bear with me a sec. Right, sorry about that. So I think we'll go with the blue because I think it's just a bit too much yellow. So what we'll do is just put the glue down. And then what I'll do is drop that in just so we can line up with that border at the top. I mean, I know you can't see it much, but it just keeps it all together, doesn't it? So that's that, and then we'll just cut round the rest of it. So there's our card, and then obviously when it stands like that. So let's see about some gems, or I've got the pearls. So we'll go with these ones. Like so. So then that one's got the border at the top, so and there we go. So that's my card made with the Amongst the Wildflowers paper pad. So hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you again in another video very soon. Take care, bye.